In this episode of the Ultimate Human Podcast, Gary Brecka interviews Alvaro Nuñez Alfaro, a renowned athlete and author of the book Level Up. Alvaro has completed some of the toughest physical challenges on Earth, including the Sahara Desert race, which involves running 6 marathons in 6 days across the desert. He emphasizes the importance of having a purpose bigger than oneself when undertaking such challenges. For Alvaro, his purpose was to raise awareness about depression, a cause close to his heart due to the experiences of family and friends. The Sahara Desert race is considered the toughest race on Earth, with only a few participants finishing out of thousands. Alvaro had to carry all his food and supplies for the 6-day race, making it a self-sufficient challenge. Despite facing physical and mental challenges during the race, including dehydration, cramps, and kidney failure, Alvaro found strength in the weight of depression he carried in his backpack. This weight symbolized the struggles of those battling depression, and it motivated him to keep going even when he felt like giving up. Alvaro's journey in the Sahara Desert race highlights the power of having a strong why and purpose behind one's actions. By reframing negative thoughts and focusing on a greater cause, individuals can push through obstacles and achieve remarkable feats. Alvaro's experience also underscores the importance of self-awareness and being present in the moment. By observing one's thoughts and feelings, individuals can identify areas for growth and transformation. Alvaro emphasizes the significance of starting the day with a morning routine that includes gratitude, visualization, and alignment with values and goals. By setting intentions and focusing on positive habits, individuals can supercharge their day and set themselves up for success. Alvaro's dedication to self-improvement and pushing his limits serves as an inspiration for others to strive for greatness in their own lives. Alvaro discusses his upcoming challenge of participating in the 7 continents, 7 marathons, 7 days race. This extreme race involves running a marathon on each of the 7 continents in 7 days. Alvaro explains the logistics of the race, including traveling to different continents, adjusting to different climates and altitudes, and the physical and mental preparation required for such a grueling challenge. He also discusses the importance of having a strong why or purpose behind such a demanding endeavor. Alvaro reveals that he has attached himself to a new why for the upcoming race, which is to unify people from different backgrounds and nationalities through the power of sports and endurance challenges. He aims to bring together influencers, celebrities, and participants from around the world to raise awareness and promote unity. By carrying a flag representing all countries and collecting signatures from prominent individuals, Alvaro hopes to inspire others to dream big and work towards a common goal of unity and collaboration. Alvaro discusses the importance of building strong habits and setting goals to achieve personal growth and success. He emphasizes the concept of habit stacking, where new habits are built upon existing ones to create a routine that supports progress and development. By identifying triggers and implementing positive habits, individuals can overcome obstacles and stay focused on their goals. He also stresses the significance of breaking down big goals into smaller, manageable steps and scheduling them to turn dreams into reality. Alvaro talks about his book, Level Up, and the motivation behind writing it. The book serves as a guide for individuals seeking to improve themselves and reach their full potential. It shares Alvaro's personal journey, challenges, and key lessons that can be applied to various aspects of life. Level Up aims to inspire, empower, and educate readers on how to overcome obstacles, set goals, and lead by example in their pursuit of personal growth and success. Alvaro discusses the importance of creating a community of like-minded individuals who support each other's growth and success. He shares his experience of organizing influencer houses focused on health, wellness, and personal development, where participants engage in activities like workouts, meditation, and networking in a positive and healthy environment. By bringing together people with similar goals and values, Alvaro aims to foster collaboration, inspiration, and mutual support among peers. When asked about what it means to be an ultimate human, Alvaro emphasizes leading by example and becoming the best version of oneself in all areas of life. He believes that personal growth should encompass various aspects such as career, relationships, health, spirituality, and intellectual pursuits. By setting high standards, surrounding oneself with supportive individuals, and continuously striving for improvement, one can achieve ultimate human status and inspire others to do the same.